upbeat music playing. Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans from Creality, the Creality K1C and the Creality Ender 3v3SE. Product images appear on the screen, K1C on the left and Ender 3v3SE on the right. On the left, we have the Creality K1C, a high-speed beast with a price tag of $699. And on the right, the budget-friendly Creality Ender 3v3SE, coming in at just $219. Let's see which one deserves a spot on your workbench. Music fades out. First up, let's talk speed. The K1C boasts a mind-blowing max speed of 600 millimeters per second and can accelerate at a whopping 20,000 millimeters per square second. That's faster than my morning coffee run. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3SE is no slouch either, hitting 250 millimeters per second with 2,500 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a really fast bicycle. Sure, the K1C is 12 times faster, but unless you're printing a life-size statue of yourself, the Ender 3v3SE's speed should do just fine. Reviewers have praised the K1C for its incredible speed, making it perfect for high-volume printing, while the Ender 3v3SE is appreciated for being sufficiently fast for most home projects. Next, let's discuss the extruder and nozzle. The K1C comes equipped with a Clog-Free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right, a unicorn nozzle. It's like having a magical creature working on your prints. On the other hand, the Ender 3v3SE features the trusty Sprite extruder. It's reliable and gets the job done, but it doesn't have the same mythical charm as the unicorn. Sorry, Sprite, you're more of a sidekick in this story. Reviewers have noted that the K1C's extruder system is excellent for high detail and high temperature prints, while the Ender 3v3SE's extruder is praised for its reliability and ease of use. Both printers come with auto-calibration and leveling, but the K1C takes it up a notch with dynamic balancing for reduced vibration. One tap and you're ready to go. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on point. The Ender 3v3SE is also super easy to set up, with auto-leveling and strain sensors. It's like setting up a tent at a campsite. 3 steps and you're done. Perfect for those who want to spend more time printing and less time fiddling. Users have praised the K1C for its advanced calibration features, making setup a breeze, while the Ender 3v3SE is commended for its straightforward and user-friendly setup process. Now, let's talk special features. The K1C comes with an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. It's like having a security camera for your prints. Plus, it supports carbon fiber filaments and has an enclosed chamber design for high-temp printing. The Ender 3v3SE, meanwhile, has auto-filament loading and unloading. Just tap extrude or retract, and you're good to go. It also has a power loss recovery function, so if your cat decides to unplug it mid-print, you're covered. Reviewers love the K1C's high-tech features, particularly the AI camera, while the Ender 3v3SE is appreciated for its practical and convenient features like power loss recovery. The K1C is also a silent operator, with a noise level of just 45 decibels and an air purification system using activated carbon bags. It's perfect for those late-night printing sessions when you don't want to wake the neighbors. The Ender 3v3SE, with its 32-bit silent mainboard, also keeps things quiet. It's like having a ninja printer in your room. Silent but deadly, in a good way. Reviewers have praised the K1C for its quiet operation and effective air purification, while the Ender 3v3 SE is noted for its low noise level, making it ideal for home use. Overall, Amazon reviewers have mixed feelings about both printers. The Creality K1C is praised for its speed, high-tech features, and advanced calibration, but some users have reported issues with initial setup and defects. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use, reliability, and practical features, although some users have encountered defects and minor setup challenges. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for speed, advanced features, and have a bit more cash to spend, the Creality K1C is your go-to. But if you're a beginner or on a budget, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a fantastic choice that won't let you down. Either way, you're getting a solid 3D printer that can bring your creations to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, print smart, buy smart. Upbeat music playing. Screen fades to black with Buy Smart logo. See you next time, smart shoppers.